Two police officers were shot and injured along Canton Spring Road a few days ago whilst conducting a spot check on duty. Now, one of the officers who survived that incident is now sharing this experience with us, and he tells us how the shooting transpired that night. So viewers and subscribers, come listen for yourself and hear what really go down.
Squad is, my good enough, I drive go home you know. I shoot out with two boy at marketplace there, so in the night there, so I go home again, me get discharged, the next police get shot in him back, he shot fly through. See me I say. Me I go home, one boy dead, the next boy must get gunshot and run off in the gully there, so the police there come the place and look for him. You see me I say. Stop the boy them and the boy them open fire upon me. You see me I say, we get shot in my foot still, a little blade still, and nothing serious. So I drive, I go home, I get discharged in the night. And the next man, we get shot in him back. You get shot fly through him back there, and get discharged. So 2 hours I go home still. So we're good. We get all heap of support and call from Federation and this and that. I don't know anything said. So I go home you know, I'm good. Yeah man, I'm good.
Jano Star, it rough on the squad them still now. Viewers and subscribers, enough of them wear story and we say, yo, the police them lie and wicked man. Which man I go see squad with a gun and walk my shot pan them. Well people, it happened here. The shit is real out there, and this is a testimony. For sure we say, yo, it things really happen. But now go on like say police them lie and wicked sometime. We know that. But at the end of the day, you have some man out there brazen and challenge the police them same way. And I mean I trying time for the police them right now because last month or in June, them killed 3 police at Spanish Town, to include an officer. So, you know, we have to really show some appreciation and love for the people who put them life on the line. The men and the women in Jamaica, including the JDF and other security personnel that are out there night time in the streets, try them best for ensure say law-abiding citizens are safe. So really happy for hear squad device and squad stone, you know, in a high spirit for no say boy at least and challenge him and get shot, but he managed to use in training and defend himself and in squad life. So, you know, we really have a big up squad for that, because enough time people hear gunshot into me that and the squad can stand up on face and get shot and still return fire. And see them say me kill one of the gunman them, and me hear say one turn up hospital with gunshot. So good work, and you know I have to commend the officers them, because as I say, them out there nighttime people I put them life at a risk for persons who need them, sometimes need them, show them enough of appreciation. So like we're glad for your say squad they alright, and I'm just hope say they wanna get shot in them back and pull through and them can soon go back at work. So viewers and subscribers, this is this video. So as usual, tell us what you think about the incident in the comment section. You understand? And always ask if you just leave a like or share the video to somebody so people can see what go on. Remember, subscribe to Jamaica Drama and Entertainment TV. You don't know people. I'm out. Big up on yourself.